Peanut butter recipe. 2 cups of unsalted shelled peanuts, 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt or more to taste. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup or more to taste. 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil or peanut oil as needed. 1. Roast the peanuts. If your peanuts are not already roasted, spread them on a baking sheet and roast them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This step is optional, but enhances the flavor. 2. Blend the peanuts. Place the roasted peanuts in a food processor. Process for about 1 minute until the peanuts are broken down. 3. Add ingredients. Add the salt, honey, and oil. Continue processing for another 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is smooth and creamy. You may need to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally. For a just consistency, if the peanut butter is too thick, you can add a bit more oil, 1 teaspoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. 5. Store. Transfer the peanut butter to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It should last for several weeks. Enjoy your homemade peanut butter on toast, in smoothies, or straight from the jar. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget check out the description.